Okay, so this morning I'm just going to do a quick video on the pattern feature which I discovered on the Arcdroid, which is very useful. It's a bit like nesting, but a lot quicker and easier. So let's get set up and we'll have a little quick run through. I've already loaded the file that I want to use, which is this one. It's just a bracket, but I want about half a dozen of them. So instead of doing them one at a time, I'll use this pattern feature. So I'll just put you on the tripod and I'll run you through it. Okay, so once you've got your pattern loaded, whatever it is you want, go into, let's get out of here. Right, so we've got it on the table ready to go. So going back into trace to that one, pattern, and then you set how many you want of whichever direction. So I only want 6, so if I go 2 that way and then 3 that way, and you can see that they're way too far apart, so we're going to change the distance, and here they're actually overlapping. So we go to that, let's say that's 130. I don't know if this is right, this is just guessing. Yeah, there you go, let's spread them apart. They're too far apart that way, so we'll bring that down to, let's say, 30. There you go, and they're right up close together. Actually, I think they're a little bit too close, so let's go 40 there. Yeah, that's it. It might be wasting a bit of and then here you can actually offset them. Let's try, so you can play about with them. So if you wanted to try and nest them better, if there's a complicated shape, let's go back to, let's say 45. We'll go back to 90. Oh, 90. Or 0. Back. So you can play about with them, and this way it's the same. You can do, say, 45. See, that brings them a bit closer together, makes it a little bit better pattern. Actually, that's probably quite good for what I need. I might try it at that. And that's it, really. You just play about with the figures until it looks right on the screen. And there you go. So I think I'm going to run that. So I'll get set up for that, get my bit of metal in the right place, and we'll have a go. Okay, let's turn the plasma on, run it, see what happens. I hope it works. Looks pretty good to me so far. a little bit of dross, but I could have adjusted my settings, but this was like just on the fly. I hadn't, because this is 4mm and I haven't actually cut any 4mm, I've only cut 3 and 2, so I'm sort of guessing on the speed. So I reckon the speed could have done with adjusting, but that'll come off with a wire brush, no problem. It's not, you know, it's not a horrendous problem. So there you go. That's the pattern feature. I hope that's helpful to somebody. Enjoy.